Hello children, good morning. I am your Atasvi teacher from St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn our SS subject. I hope you all have written till Unit 6 in your fair book. Today we are going to learn our 7th unit. The name of our unit is Gujarat, Location, Boundary and Physiography. The state of Gujarat is located in the western part of India. Dear children, you can see in the map of India that our Gujarat is located in the western part of India. It is flanked by Arabian Sea in the west, means it is covered by the Arabian Sea. The state of Gujarat lies between 20.06 north latitude and 24.42 degree north latitude. Means our state Gujarat is located between 20.6 north latitude to 24.42 degree north latitude. Similarly, it lies between 68.10 degree east longitude and 74.28 degree east longitude. Means in longitude our Gujarat is located between 68.10 degree east longitude to 74.8 degree east longitude. Boundaries. Gujarat has two types of boundaries, sea boundary and land boundary. In Gujarat there are two types of boundaries are there. One is sea boundary and another one is land boundary. Now let us see land boundary. Look at the map and answer the following questions. You have to see the map and you have to write the following question. Dash is in the east. These blanks you have to write yourself in your textbook only. Dash is in the west, dash is in the north, dash is in the south and dash is in the northwest, and you have to write yourself in the textbook and I will give in next PDF. Now second boundary is sea boundary. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of Gujarat. Means the Arabian Sea is there in the west of Gujarat. The sea boundary is 1600 km long and is the longest sea boundary among all the states of India. Means the sea boundary is of 1600 km and it is the longest sea boundary of the India. The boundary has the Gulf of Khambat and the Gulf of Kutch. The sea boundary includes the Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch. Now next topic is expansion. The north-south length of Gujarat is 590 km and the east-west length is 500 km. Means the length of Gujarat in north-south is north to south is 590 km and from east to west the length is 500 km. The geographical area of Gujarat is 19,624 square kilometer, which is only the 6% of India's total area. Means total area of Gujarat is 19,624 square kilometer, but this area is only the 6% of total area of India. The land area of Gujarat is divided into four parts. Means the land area of Gujarat is divided into four parts. First one is North Gujarat, second one is South Gujarat, third one is Central Gujarat and fourth one is Saurashtra means Kutch. And next topic we will see in our next video. Thank you.